Iṣẹ́ wo lẹ ń ṣe?
Plumber now.
Okay, nice meeting you, my bro. Just want to ask the cost of your outfit
From your head to toe.
Let's have it.
So go on with the spec.
Really. Spec modern would always before. Only on this online shopping store. So
How much?
that's about $20.
$20?
Yeah.
How about the airport?
The airport. This Apple airport too.
How
So
much?
that's about 150 years. The
The top nko?
top, really 30K.
Oh yeah, now what about the bag? The
The
bag.
bag. I got it about 45K.
45K.
Yeah, it's 45,000 naira.
Wow. How about the wristwatch? That's smart now.
This is for. I got it about 350. Yeah.
How about the trouser? I mean the jean.
The gym, is all this fitted? Can you expect a baggy?
Sorry now.
Eh,
Mujena.
20K,
20K. How about the leg?
The leg. I bought it something around 5K.
55K. You big man, you. Boy, bro, calm down. Iṣẹ́ wo lẹ ń ṣe?
Plumber now.
Okay, plumber náà lè fi ra gbogbo kíni.
Mo láwọn
State wo
customer.
lẹ ti ń ṣiṣẹ́?
Mo ń ṣiṣẹ́ lórí mo dẹ̀ tún ní shop ní Ìbàdàn.
Ìbàdàn.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Méjèèjì yẹn bọ̀ wọ́n máa ń pè yẹn everywhere àjọ.
Sure. Mo lọ́mọṣẹ́ náà so.
Yeah, nah, that's fantabulous.
Ẹni ní ká pípé follow mi ní kíni o.
Okay, on TikTok, what's your username?
Pelum 416.
Guys, please follow him on TikTok.